guys. Got this yesterday. I did pick it when I got it. It wasn't terribly easy. It's an absolute monster of a lock. Don't know what that feels like a 10mm shackle or something. It weighs a lot. I thought I'd just see if I could pop it open on here. Maybe not. Top of the keyway. I don't know whether it's best to pick this in hand or in the vise. We'll start like this, see how it goes. I don't have a key for it, by the way, so I can't show you the bitting. I'm shit at picking a hand, by the way. Don't even know why I'm bothering. I think it's got 6 pins. It almost feels like there's one missing at the front. They start an awful long way back. Okay, a bit of cool movement there. Must be doing something right. Should be something on that one. Apparently not. Bit more core movement. Got a bit of a false set now. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There's that pin 1. Bang. What a beautiful lock. Now, I don't know whether you guys can help me. I would like to get a key. Make a key for it. Just don't know where I can get any key blanks. So if any of you guys got any ideas, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.